with a river breeze still on it. A handsome stranger with a copper smile sent his heart across the miles. Cream white paper folded twice, carried through the morning light. He wrote, your voice pulled me near, like a song the hills can hear. And that loving smile you wear leaves one dimple waiting there. He said, my beauty has no twin, a quiet fire under my skin. My belle, you make my whole world slow. There is nowhere else I want to go. Love letter, your words found me, wrapped in tenderness so sweetly. You saw my waist sway with the wind and felt your lonely heart give in. Love letter, je t'aime déjà. You call me precious, mon amour. If your hands can hold me true, my greatest dream is becoming yours too. By the roadside I gathered herbs, green little secrets from the earth. When you walk past the river bend, I looked away, then looked again. You wrote about the afternoon, when sunlight rested on the room, about my eyes, my careful grace, and how your peace began with my face. You said, I have crossed 1,000 skies just to be near your shy replies. Ma chérie, let the old hurt cease. Come lay your heart beside my peace. Love letter, your words found me, wrapped in tenderness so sweetly. You saw my waist sway with the wind and felt your lonely heart give in. Love letter, je t'aime déjà. You call me precious, mon amour. If your hands can hold me true, my greatest dream is becoming yours too. Come closer, let the evening breathe. Put your gentle promise next to me. Let your lips tell what the paper began, slow and warm, like only lovers can. No more fear, no more running away. We can mend what the heart is made. Épouse-moi, you softly say, and I feel my guarded heart give way. Love letter, your words found me. Now your arms are where I'm meant to destiny.